Click Start Drawing. Right now we are in a 2D view, that is top view. Let's draw some 2D shapes and convert them into 3D. Select rectangle command and draw a rectangle. To convert this rectangle into 3D, we are going to use extrude command. First, let's change the workspace. Right now we are in a drafting annotation workspace. Let's change it to 3D modeling. Select extrude command. Follow command line instructions. Select objects to extrude. Click on rectangle, enter. Specify height 20, enter. Now it converted into a 3D object. Rectangle became box. Change the view to 3D view. Now we can see 3 dimensions of the object. Let's change the visual style. Let's keep conceptual. Let's now once again draw the 2D shape and apply extrude command. Instead of clicking on the command, we can use the shortcut key. The shortcut key for extrude command is ext. Ext, enter. Now select the object, enter, and specify the height. Let's draw some more 2D shapes and convert them into 3D. Let's draw default closed profiles like circle, polygon, and ellipse. Apply the extrude command. Ext, enter. Select all the shapes, enter, and specify the height. Rectangle, circle, polygon, ellipse are the default closed profiles. When extruded, became solids. Let's orbit and see. Hold shift and press scroll button to orbit. To come to default 3D view, click the home button. The default 3D view in AutoCAD is southwest isometric. Let's change it to southeast isometric view. Till now we have seen default closed profiles. Now let's see closed profile drawn using polyline. Using polyline, draw a closed profile. In a single click, we can able to select the whole path. Now let's then extrude. It converted to a solid object. Using polyline, if we draw a non-closed profile and then extrude, it will form surface. Non-closed profiles are always surface and closed profile is solid. But if we draw using line command instead of a polyline command, whether it is a closed profile or a non-closed profile, is always a surface. Let's extrude the closed profile. It became a surface. Extrude the non-closed profile. It's also a surface. Let's once again draw the closed profile using line command. All these lines are individual lines, are not joined like a polyline. If we extrude, it will become a surface. To make this closed profile as a solid, convert the lines into polyline and then extrude, it will become a solid. Using join command, join the lines. Now lines converted to polyline. Now if we extrude, it will become solid.